Let me tell you the reason why I wash my chicken. Bear in mind, I wash all meat, vegetables, fruits, and everything in between as well. I am a Jamaican. Wagwan, Irie, Yemen, same so. Alright, so in Jamaica, we have real chicken. And real chicken have slimes. In order to remove the slimes, I have to use some form of acidic liquid. So I use either lemon juice or white vinegar. Not lemon juice, lime juice or white vinegar. Lemon is pretty much expensive in Jamaica. So I am not going to buy lemon to wash chicken. You understand? I don't use lime juice and vinegar. I don't see the purpose of using the two when one can get the job done. I sometimes use all-purpose flour because it does a good job of removing the slimes as well. But I randomly use it because I use the pack flour, and pack flour is expensive in Jamaica, but it can be used as well. So after washing the chicken, I clean the area with bleach and I cook the chicken properly to kill the bacteria. So food experts who claim that people wash chicken to remove bacteria off the surface. Who told you that? A liar tell. Nobody not tell you that. Can vinegar, lime juice, lemon juice or all-purpose flour kill bacteria? You lied? No one told you that because it cannot kill bacteria. They cannot kill bacteria. We use it to take off the slimes off the chicken because we not yam no chicken with slime pan it. You feel me? Yeah, same so you go. You understand? You just told a stupid lie. It's either you fool or you take people who wash chicken for fool. And I feel say you fool because me don't know how on earth you came to the decision that we wash chicken in order to kill the bacteria. Which school you go? You never do science subject. You never do chemistry. You never do food and nutrition. A liar tell, nobody will tell her that. We wash chicken to remove the slimes. As simple as that. And we cook our chicken to remove the bacteria. As simple as that. Okay? Yeah, man. Thank you for watching. Wow, good.